Welcome, in front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and in this video I will show you what to do if your auto brightness isn't working on this tablet. So first of all, scroll down your control center and check if it looks like this. And if it does look like this, then go to your settings and check for display and brightness section and make sure that the automatic screen brightness is enabled, and if it's not working properly for you, then what you can do is turn off the screen of your device by pressing the power button once and then basically wipe the whole surface of the screen of your tablet to make sure that we clean the ambient light sensor. They are usually located near your frontal camera, but it's better if you just clean the whole surface of your tablet, also to improve your usage experience of this device. Then try turning it on and checking if the auto brightness have improved, and if it didn't, just hold down the power button for a while. Then select restart option, confirm, and then wait until your device restarts. And now check if your light sensors have refreshed and if your automatic brightness works better now. But if it didn't help you solving your issue, then make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi or basically internet. Go to System and Updates, check for software update, and if you do have any updates for your device, then download and install them in order to make sure that the hardware works in touch with your software on the tablet. Then if this once again didn't help you resolve this issue, then what you can do is open the reset menu, select reset all settings, confirm by pressing here. Then again confirm and wait until the settings are reset. Then try re-enabling your automatic display brightness right here, and this should resolve your issue at this point. And that's basically it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.